Hey pop stars, what's up? I'm CakePopClara and today I'm going to be unboxing an Angelic Pretty salopette. I'm super excited about this because I've never actually had a dress in this cut before, which is why I bought this baby. I've had it for like 2 weeks now and I really wanted to show you, so I haven't opened it yet, just when I could find time to film, because I was busy uploading my Anime Milwaukee vlog and editing that. I pretty much dropped everything else in order to get that out to you. So please click the card if you want to watch it. And when you're done with that, you might as well hit the subscribe button and ring the bell if you want to be confident to wear the fashion that you love. Anyways, time to do the unboxing, or unbagging in this case. Okay, this is really exciting. It's so nice. It's new with tags, so this has never been worn. This is the first dress I've ever owned that's never been worn by another soul. At least the first Angelic Pretty dress. Oh, new with tags. New with tags. I got a dress that's new with tags. See, this is a good deal. Okay, because I got this dress for 90 bucks. And if you see on the tag here, it says with tax it is 18,000 yen, which is 180 bucks. So I basically got this dress half off if I would have bought it in the store. It is so freaking cute though. I'm gonna show you in detail, but these buttons have me dying. They are literally, they look like M&Ms that say AP on it. Like, I've seen this dress before because it comes in a mint colorway. That makes me kind of want it because I like mint and brown, but this is the brown colorway, obviously. But I kind of overlooked it because I don't really like polka dots that much. But I'm kind of rethinking my stance on polka dots because it's kind of a cute detail. Like, this is really cute. I thought there was something wrong with it, but then I'm looking at the print and that's just how the print is. Oh, this is so cute. So this is a salopette, so it's basically like a skirt with a top. It's different than the jumper skirt because it kind of has bigger holes in the side, so it's kind of like, those suspender skirts. It's kind of that style. I absolutely love skirts. This is just kind of an addition. The skirt looks pretty short, so like this is definitely going to be a really good spring and summer piece. It's also going to be good for spring and summer because it doesn't touch as much of your body. I feel like I'm going to be more comfortable wearing it when I'm sweating. Anyways, I didn't break the dress, but I don't know how to put it back on right now. Oh, here, it goes like this. Boop. And you can see how it looks like an M&M. It's just so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm lucky I just ate lunch, or else I would be hungry looking at this dress, honestly. The pattern is like kind of realistic M&Ms. Like, they're so shiny and they're so glossy and they're so multicolored. Some of them are just plain and some of them say AP. Let's see. What else do we got? Oh my gosh, I haven't even looked at the front of this dress yet, and it is so cute because there's different sizes too of the little M&M button detail. Because like there's these big ones that are like the hook for the skirt straps, and then there's the small ones that are kind of decorating the front, masquerading as buttons. These ones actually look like M&Ms because they're the same exact size as M&Ms. And there's a pink one, a brown one, and a yellow one. And around that, there's like this really pretty lace that says AP, and it has little musical notes in it. It is so cute. If you wanted to wear a belt with this, there's actually belt loops. This skirt has multiple tiers, and feeling inside, it actually has a built-in petticoat. So yeah, I would say this is a really great quality dress, and I'm really excited to try it on for you. The detachable bows on the butt side of it, I'm like, that's kind of weird because it's just kind of flopping there. You can see the safety pin. I'm gonna like try to cord it really basically. let's put a little outfit together real quick. I just paired it with a long sleeve blouse over the knees, a pair of pink bodyline shoes because these are like the only ones I have right now. And this long sleeve blouse I got in a trade, which let me know in the comments if you want to see my trade. I traded an Angelic Pretty old Angelic Pretty dress for like a bunch of different stuff, and it was pretty much the biggest trade I've ever done. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see that. I definitely feel so freaking cute. I am in love with this style. I think it suits me really well. I think it looks super cute on me. I wouldn't really want to wear like a really big bow with it because the dress is so much smaller. You don't really need to balance it out. So I just kept with a rectangular headdress. And yeah, I also just added a pair of brown wrist cuffs to try to balance out pink and brown. I didn't cord a bag with it because I'm literally not going to go out. It's cold outside. Yeah, I just wanted to show you. Thank you so much for watching.
Choose your fighter.
See you again here very soon. I love you so much. Bye, pop stars.
Slightly inspired. Fight.